Step by step we rise again, from silent prayers to open skies. No turning back, no fear within. Hope is burning in our eyes. Through the dust, through endless roads, we carry light, not hate or chains. Every mile our spirit grows, every scar becomes our strength. When the world feels torn apart, we answer with a steady heart. Not with fears, but with belief. Moving forward is our peace. We walk for peace, we walk as one. From the dark into the sun, every step says this is right. We are calm, but we are strong. Side by side, we never run. With Aloka, faithful one. This is more than just a road. It's a promise, it's our own. Voices quiet, purpose loud, no spotlight, still we shine. We don't need to lead the crowd, just to prove the truth inside. When the weight feels hard to bear, when the night feels far too long, we keep walking, we stay there. Stillness is where power